Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. The last 24 hours has been kind to us in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is up 3.1%. Bitcoin has crossed the $65,000 level. Ethereum, on the other hand, trades above $1,933. Where is the cryptocurrency market heading to in the coming days and coming weeks? Currency market is still deep in extreme fear. A lot of market participants are still scared, even though we're seeing so many encouraging price action, even though we're seeing so many green candles popping up front, left, and center. Will this just be a dead cat bounce, or is this the rally to take us out of the goblin town where we currently sit? We look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin, total cryptocurrency market cap. Where is the market? Where is the total cryptocurrency market cap heading to in the coming days and coming weeks? Was a hope for altcoins? Are we going to see altcoin season? Talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, which currently trades around $65,000. There's a lot of warning signs for the bears that Bitcoin might just be completing its bear market bottom. Now, I've seen news going around the cryptocurrency market that people say our Bitcoin bear market should take 1 year to complete. We're not yet at the bottom. We still have one more leg down to Goblin Town. But guys, I believe we're very, very close to the bottom. That's if the bottom has not hit already. There's so many signs that are showing us that BTC is putting up a bottoming structure. We use BTC RSI on the weekly time frame. It's a big sign there. If you look at Bitcoin's RSI on the weekly time frame, you notice that anytime the RSI gets to this lower band, anytime the RSI gets below the 28 region, that's a good time to buy. It doesn't mean that's the exact bottom. And we saw similar price action in 2022 where Bitcoin RSI got below the 28 region. That was in June of 2022. Bitcoin was trading at 17K. Then when Bitcoin said bullish divergence in December, that's when price went to a lower low and RSI didn't get to a lower low. That was a telltale sign that the bottom was in. Even way back in 2018, we saw Bitcoin finding the bottom around the 30 RSI region. So historically, Bitcoin trading on the weekly time frame around that 30 RSI region has been a good buy. Guess where we hit that in this bear market? We hit that way back in February. We saw Bitcoin getting back below the 30 region in the RSI. And right now, Bitcoin is showing huge bullish divergence, just like we saw in 2022. Bitcoin's price has come to set a lower low. The RSI has failed to set a lower low. This is a bullish signal. Don't be shocked to see Bitcoin rallying straight towards $70,000. Maybe we even go to as high as $80,000+. I still tell you guys, beginning of this year, I expect Bitcoin to still trade around $100,000 at some point in time in the year. The bears are going to get liquidated. How will the bears get liquidated? If we get a big rally to the upside. That's for Bitcoin, the king of the market. Go to the next cryptocurrency we'll be talking about today, which is Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum 2 is currently below its 200-week moving average. Ethereum has seen a pump from as low as $1,500 to as low as $1,933. We saw Ethereum getting to as high as $2,500. That was in May, April 2026. I believe that will be the telling point for Ethereum. Can we rally past $2,500? That will be where the bulls will have to show some will and some courage. From where we're currently trading right now, around a 27% pump to the upside will get us towards $2,500. My 2026 target for Ethereum still stands. I believe we are going to cross the $3,500 level at some point in time in 2026. The rally is going to come. It's going to come very fast. A lot of market participants will be caught off guard when the rally is here. And before you know it, the rally will be over. We saw something similar in 2024, in 2025. We were dumping from December of 2024. We dumped into April of 2025. And when the rally came, it was short, but it was very glorious. We saw the total cryptocurrency market pump from April right into August. That's around 133 days of just up only 250% on Ethereum in 133 days. If we see similar price action, assuming the market wants to play a trick on us, rallying up 250% from where we're currently trading, we see Ethereum going above the previous all-time high. We see Ethereum getting to as high as $5,500. And who's to say Ethereum can pull that? Way crazier things have happened in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance chart in the market, there's a telltale sign, guys. We're going to see alt season. I still stand on that business. I still believe we're going to see Bitcoin dominance crash heavily at some point in time over the next few weeks, and that heavy Bitcoin crash is going to eventually lead to a lot of altcoins having good times in the market. It's going to lead to big pumps in the altcoin market. A lot of altcoins are down bad. They could easily go up 10x from where they are currently trading right now, and they will not still be back to where they were trading in 2024. So don't be shocked to see a lot of altcoins making crazy moves in the coming days and the coming weeks. And if you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin over the last few weeks. It might not be crazy outperformance, but this is how it starts. Every 100% pump starts with a little 10% pump here, a little 5% pump there. Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin by 8.45% over the last 1 month. And I expect that trend to continue. I expect to see Ethereum pumping to higher prices, maybe getting to as high as the 0.046 ratio level against Bitcoin. The final phase of this pump is going to see Ethereum outperform Bitcoin. Historically, that's what happens in the cryptocurrency market. When we see all coins dumping to Goblin Town, when we see all coins pumping to the moon, and we see Bitcoin dominance dumping to Goblin Town, that's what sends Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin over the moon, because Ethereum will be outperforming Bitcoin. A lot of market participants will want to get more return on their capital. Don't be shocked to see them buying Ethereum instead of buying Bitcoin. That doesn't mean Bitcoin will have its own time in the sun. If you look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, which sits around the $2.23 trillion, we're also seeing bullish divergence on the chart. We saw total cryptocurrency market cap coming below its 200-week moving average, which was around the $2 trillion level, without the RSI setting new lows. That's a good sign. If you're holding crypto long term, that's a good sign if you're expecting positive price action, because over the course of 2026, I will not be shocked to see us breaking to new all-time highs for the total cryptocurrency market cap. Can we break above the $4.23 trillion level? It's very possible from where we're currently trading right now for us to rally back to the $4.23 trillion level, and to see about 100% pump in the general cryptocurrency market cap. Is that possible? Very possible. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now, sentiment is still fearful. There's still extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday, we saw the fear and greed index go back to fear. Right now, it's back in extreme fear. That's what you expect to be happening at the bottom. But over the next few weeks, guys, over the next few months, don't be shocked to see us getting to neutral sentiment. Don't be shocked to see us getting into greed, maybe even some extreme greed. The last few months has been very tough. The last 3 months has seen sentiment deteriorate very crazily in the cryptocurrency market. We spent more than 3 months in extreme fear. We had a brief period in April and May where sentiment became neutral, but then we fell back into extreme fear. And I believe the next rally is going to be the disbelief rally. A lot of market participants will be shocked. You'll still be hearing people talking about how we have to bottom in Q4 of 2026, and we have to wait for September, we have to wait for October, and the markets will just keep going higher and higher till they are forced to buy in. If you look at liquidation data in the last 24 hours, a lot of bulls are getting liquidated, a lot of market participants, a lot of BS, sorry, are getting liquidated. A lot of market participants that were betting for lower prices have seen a sharp increase in price, with them getting liquidated. According to CoinGlass data, the last 24 hours has seen more than 68,000 traders getting liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $228 million, with the largest single liquidation order happening on Binance. One trader was liquidated for $7.82 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money before the main event starts. Three things that can wreck a smart guy is going to be liquor, leverage, and ladies. Avoid them, and you do very well in the long term. Bitcoin quarterly returns. Bitcoin is at 12.23% in its quarterly returns. Ethereum is at 22.61% in its quarterly returns. Bitcoin is up 12.23% in the month of July. Ethereum also is up 22.61% in the month of July. What a crazy month for Ethereum it has been. What a crazy month for Bitcoin it has been. News stories still going around the cryptocurrency market signifies that a lot of market participants are still skeptical about the rally. It signifies that we need to rally past $70,000 to draw in new buyers. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. How bullish are you on the cryptocurrency market? Today is a nice day. Today is a great day. We're seeing bullish news stories going around the board. We are seeing green candles going around the cryptocurrency market. I used to buying altcoins. I used to accumulating, getting ready for that elusive altcoin season. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.